G'day and welcome to this how-to tutorial. Today I'm demystifying chocolate tempering with the easy seed method. Starting with the white chocolate, we'll melt 2/3 of our chocolate gently using a double boiler or microwave in short bursts. Avoid overheating. If you're using the microwave as I am today, make sure that the power is turned down and use 15 to 30 second bursts, stirring in between. Once melted, add the remaining 1/3 of chocolate in small pieces. This is our seed. Stir continuously until the seed chocolate melts completely. Now, checking the temperature is highly recommended. We're aiming for about 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Next, we'll follow the same steps, but with the dark chocolate. We'll melt 2/3 of our chocolate gently. Once melted, add the remaining 1/3 of chocolate in small pieces. Stir continuously until the seed chocolate melts completely. And finally, the same again with milk chocolate. We'll melt 2/3 of our chocolate gently. I may have overheated this chocolate a bit too much as the visuals have changed, but it's still very usable and easily fixed with a drop or two of oil. Keep in mind that adding oil can lessen the ability to set in a nice tempered state. Once melted, add the remaining 1/3 of chocolate in small pieces. Stir continuously until the seed chocolate melts completely. To test if it's tempered, smear a little of the chocolate onto baking paper and let it set. A smooth, glossy finish with a snap when broken means success. Now you're ready to create beautiful chocolate treats. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.